boys and girls. It is day 16. It's the last day of summer school. Yes, you guys have all worked so hard. You've done so amazing. So, we have learned all about multiplication. We have done equal groups. We have done rows and arrays. We have done cross the lines. We've played so many capture games. We've written word problems. We've done shopping sprees. We've done all kinds of great stuff with multiplication. You guys have been doing awesome. So today, guess what? The only thing you have to do, there is no new lesson today. We've covered all our lessons. So the only thing we have to do today is before you get on Teams with your teacher, there's kind of an end of summer school check. And that is in your workspace book. And it's the last 3 pages of your book, the last 3 work pages. It's going to be page 58, 59, and 60. All right, so and this is the show what you know, your final show what you know for your teacher on Teams today. So this is going to be a very short video because I have nothing left to teach you. You guys have done amazing. So I just want to go over and make sure that you know what the expectations are when you're completing these show what you know. This is going to take you a while to do, so I want to make sure you have time to do that before you meet with your teacher on Teams today. Okay, so let's go to page 58, show what you know. So the first, let me see, 15 problems are pretty self-explanatory. You just have to write the product. That's the directions, write the product. And remember, a product is the answer to a multiplication problem. So you're just writing those out. If you want on your own workspace page to figure it out, to draw out circles and stars, or to draw arrays, or to do repeated addition, feel free to do that. Okay, the next section says write one of the equations from above in the equation box. Okay, so these are the directions I'm reading. You're going to pick one of these equations and write it down here in the equation box. Draw a line under the product. So we are checking for vocabulary understanding. Circle the factors. Remember, we've had to do this before. The factors are the numbers we multiply together to get a product. Use numbers, words, and pictures to show 2 different ways to figure. So you have to either do repeated addition or draw a picture, draw a crossing the lines, or a circles and stars or arrays. Okay, so that's what you're going to do on that page, page 58. Page 59, let's read the directions there. Read the word problem or equation. So they're giving it to you. The word problem in the middle, okay, in the middle here. So it says there are 4 beetles, each has 6 legs. How many legs are there in all? You have to figure it 2 ways and then solve it. So you're going to figure it out down here, and then you're going to write the equation up here. For number 2, they give you the equation, and you have to write a word problem and then solve it 2 ways. All right, so we've done all that. Go ahead and turn the page to page 60. And this one says, write 2 equations that show the commutative property of multiplication. Remember, that's just flipping our factors around. So 2 times 3 will get me the same product as 3 times 2. All right, so you're going to write 2 equations. And then you're going to write at least 3 sentences about multiplication. And you're specifically in those 3 sentences going to use words like factor, product, equal groups, repeated addition. Okay, so you might say things that multiplication is combining equal groups. You might say something that you might write an equation and label the parts and describe how factors and products are related to multiplication. You might include ideas from our multiplication web in lesson 23. Okay, but your assignment before you meet with your teacher today is to complete pages 58, 59, and 60. I want to tell you guys, I'm very proud of you. You have done an amazing job this summer school. I'm super impressed with all of you working while other kids are out there playing Fortnite or whatever they're doing. I'm really proud of you. Once this is over, don't stop practicing that multiplication. It's so important. We talked about that at the beginning, about how you will use this in 4th grade. You'll use it in 5th grade. You're going to use it the rest of your life. So make sure you continue the rest of your summer months just spending in a little time to practice those multiplication facts. And you can always refer back to your workspace book. It has been so amazing working with you guys. Thanks so much. Awesome. Go enjoy the rest of your summer. Have a great time, guys. I'll see you in the fall.